Well, hello everyone, this is Mohammad Badruddin and today I'm going to solve lab number 3 from JWT, which stands for JSON Web Token Vulnerability Module, and this is going to be the lab number 3. Before this lab, we already solved 2 labs. If you did not watch those labs, please go back and you can watch those videos so that you have the idea. Also, the first lab or the first video I covered, that is for the introduction of JWT, how it works and the terminology, so you can also watch that video to understand the concept of JWT. This disclaimer as always for you, this video and its contents are only for educational and awareness purpose, and I do not support any unethical or illegal act. Also, if you like the video, if you like the content, you can like, subscribe and share, and if you have any query, you can put your query in the comment section and I will try to resolve it as soon as possible. That's been said, let's go to the lab. So this lab is lab number 3, JWT authentication bypass via weak signing key. The agenda is, this lab uses a JWT based mechanism for handling the sessions. So it uses an extremely weak secret key to both sign and verify the token. If you do not know the secret key to sign and verify the token and you alter the JWT token, so you cannot achieve your goal, means authentication bypass. You cannot bypass the authentication mechanism if you don't know the secret key. Fine. So this can be easily brute forces using a word list of common secrets. Fine. To solve the lab, first brute force the website secret key. Once you have obtained this, use it to sign a modified session token that gives you access to the admin panel, which is /admin. And then to solve the lab, you have to delete the Carlos account. And to solve this lab, we have valid credentials. The username is Wiener and the password is Peter. Fine. So we are going to solve this lab in three parts. So the first part is brute forcing the secret key. Fine. Generate the key. Fine. And the third step is going to be alter the token and sign it. Fine. So these three are the steps for this lab. So let's go, and we have the home page here. I already opened up the Burp Suite. Go to the Burp Suite. Okay, now enable the Burp proxy on your browser and go to the My Account, and we already have the username and password, so we can log in. WIENER Wiener, and the password is Peter. So as we logged in, we get here some request that contains the JWT token. So any highlight request green with the green color, that means these requests contain JWT token. So this is the post request for the login where we log in, and this is the My Account request. And as you can see, the cookie contains the JWT token. Fine. So let's try if we can access admin panel or not. So /admin, hit enter, come back, and this is the request. Now as you can see here, admin interface only available if logged in as an administrator. So only administrator user can access this page. Fine. So come back here, and I'm going to send that /admin request to the repeater. Go to the repeater and send that request again, and as you can see, 401 unauthorized. So now I'm going to copy this JWT token and open the terminal here, and what I am going to do is cd desktop, and here I'm going to use hashcat space -a 0 space -m. For the JWT, the ID is 16,500, and then the JWT token, which is this, and then the word list. So the word list I'm going to use is user share word list, sec list. Inside sec list there are passwords. Inside password there is a list named as dark web top 10,000 dot text, and hit enter. It will take a bit time, and as you can see it's cracked. So now this is the JWT token and this is the secret key. So with that secret key the server will sign the token, and also whenever any user request comes to the server check the token, verify the token with this secret key, which is secret one. So I'm going to keep it with me. Copy, come here, so paste that, and also you can put the command here. So copy that, come here, and this is gonna be the command, right? So we have now the secret key. Now what we need to do is we need to go to the decoder, and the secret key is secret one. So we need to encode this secret key as base 64, and just copy that, come back here and paste the base 64 value also. Fine. Now the second step is generating a key. So go back to the burp suite and come to the JWT editor key. In the first video I already talk about how you can get these plugins installed on your burp suite, so you can watch that video. Now come here and click on the new symmetric key and just generate. So once you generate, there is a value which is k, and you need to replace that with the base 64 encoded value of the secret key which you brute force here, secret one, and this is the base 64 encoded value. So put that and click OK. That will generate a key. So this is the key. Now we already generated that. Now the last step is to manipulate the token or alter the token. So come back to the repeater, and in the repeater, in the select extension, and go to the JSON web token. So as you can see, this is the header part, which is the first part. This is the second part of the JWT token, which is payload, and this is the signature part. So as you can see here, the username is Wiener, and as you can see here, once we try to access the admin page, it's saying that only administrator user can access. So if server see that the request is coming from the administrator, which is from the JWT token, definitely the server will know that the request is coming from the administrator, but that token will also verified with the secret key. So if I just change this to administrator and send the request again, so it's still unauthorized. But if we sign this token now, this token with the generated key, which we generated from the brute forced secret key. So this was we generated, and the signature algorithm must be same. As you can see here, HMAC SHA 256, HMAC SHA 256, and make sure in the header option you must check this option, which is don't modify the header. So I don't want to modify this header values, right? So just click OK, and as you can see, the signature part gets changed. Now if you want to verify, as you can see, JWS is verified, JSON web signature is verified. Okay, now just send this request again, and as you can see, now we can access the admin panel. So I'm going to right click on the response and show response in the browser. Copy that, go back to the browser and make sure the burp proxy is enabled. Now paste that and hit enter. As you can see, now we can see the admin panel, and there are two users, Carlos and Wiener. We can delete it, this Carlos user. Come here, and in the response we can see these are the links to delete the user. So I'm going to copy this link, copy, go to the raw here in the request, and instead of admin we have to paste this link, complete path. Right now, once we try to send, because the JWT token is signed with the secret key, so now the JWT token is valid and we already alter the user from winner to administrator, so this request must be processed as genuine request. So send that, and 302 found, so it's redirecting us to the admin panel. Follow redirection, and as you can see 200 okay. And if you come here, congratulations, you solved the lab. And if you come here, now you will see only one user, which is winner. So Carlos user is already deleted. You can see user deleted successfully. To make sure, just show response in the browser. Again, copy this link, go back here. Congratulations, you solved the lab, but still it's showing both of these user. Now just paste that link and hit enter. And now as you can see, user deleted successfully and only winner user is there now. So that's it, we solved the lab. So that's it for this video. If you have any query, please put your query in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.